back to my YouTube channel. First, I would just like to say I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been really busy with school because my grades are my main priority right now. But as you can tell by the title of the video, I am super excited because tomorrow I'm getting a puppy! But first, let me do some explaining. It is a Bouvier and it is a puppy. But the thing is, it is 3 months, so it will be like bigger than a regular puppy. But I am so excited. If you didn't know, I've been wanting a puppy more than anything in the world. And by the way, my tongue is green, so I just have fun to but see you tomorrow. Okay guys, it is the next day and right now I'm just eating breakfast. I just have a bagel and some orange juice. And now I'm going to show you what we got for the puppy. Okay, so we got her a collar, and this is a pretty big one, but it can go smaller. And we got a purple one because my other dog, Neva, has a pink one. We also got her a matching leash, toy to help her teeth become stronger. Also got her some treats. And for her cage, we got her a humongous cage because she's going to be humongous when she grows up, and she's an okay size right now. Here it is. I can fit inside this cage, and we just got a little rug to go inside. It is 11:11 right now, and we're leaving at 12, so I'm gonna start getting ready. Okay guys, so my mom just got home and we set up the van and we folded down on the seat and we put a comforter down and we have our stuff here. We basically just made like a bed for the dog, so it's really comfortable. Okay guys, we just stopped because we are early and we're going to get some food. Okay guys, we just left the restaurant and now we're about 15 minutes away. Is it out here? Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Oh my god. Just be careful. It's so cute! She looks so nice.
Savannah. Come say hi. Oh, this is our neighbor here with his German Shepherd. He just came over, so. Hi. Accents are crazy. I'm like, so.
Okay guys, so as you can tell, we are stopped, and whenever I talk to you guys, she love me. She is so good, right? Who's that?
Okay guys, we just stopped for that.
She loves to cuddle and she loves to give kisses.
Hello.
Okay
Would you like
guys,
to say
it
hi
has
to
been a
me and
very
do that
long
stuff?
ride home. Okay guys, she looks really big. We just stopped at PetSmart because for her crate we have to get a divider because she is a lot smaller than we assumed. And when we get home, she's going to meet her sister, Neva. I was talking like that. Okay, guys, it is the next day. I didn't film that much when we got home because we wanted her to get... And she's been very sleepy and all of that. Bye! What's up? If you have any names, comment down below. That'd be fun to pick one of you guys. What's his name?
Oh my gosh!
Here is her now. She's so cute.